Hello, welcome to House Build episode 10. In the last episode, we were able to finish all the interior and exterior walls, and the trusses were delivered. We have a few of the trusses set into place above the garage. You can see those here, and they're pinned together by a couple braces. We're going to start putting the trusses over the main section of the house, starting over here in the second and third bedrooms. And you can see we still have our interior braces up just to hold the walls steady until the trusses are installed. We are currently waiting for the crane to arrive. The crane will lift the trusses into place. All the trusses will go in a specific location according to the truss drawing. So it looks like the crane has arrived and it's going to get set up here, and we'll begin installing the trusses with the gable end on the bedroom or right hand side over here side of the house once the crane is all set up. So we have our gable ends already constructed and they're on the ground. We'll just move this stack of OSB inside the house. That's going to be the roof sheeting, so we can feed that up from the inside once the trusses are installed. So we're going to start off on the end with the two bedrooms opposite the master bedroom. And we'll just follow the drawing. All the trusses are marked. We have the gable end built. We'll put that on first, nail that into place, and then just follow the truss drawing from there all the way across the house. And you'll see the front porch and the back deck covering. Once we get to that point, you'll see the trusses for that with the overhang. So we've got a couple guys up on top, one guy directing with the rope, and they set it down on the wall. Once they get it nailed into place, they can check for plumb and put some braces going from the gable end down to the walls just to hold it in place. So we've got it plumb, nail it into place, and then we'll put another brace in the other side just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And once that's secured, we can take the cable off the crane and pick up the next truss and have it set into place. And once that gets set into place, it'll get nailed down to the top plates and then a board across the top to hold it in place there as well. So it's nice to have one person on each side, one person in the middle, and then a director out helping the crane with a rope Goes much quicker that way. So this one's over top of the 2 bedrooms. Let's get set in place, put some braces in, nailed to the sides, and we continue on. You can see this truss is the beginning of the great room. You can see how it goes up. That's where the cathedral ceiling for the great room is gonna start. Haven't quite got to the back deck yet, but this truss, you can see, has a longer tail on it. That is going to be where the roof is for the deck. We're still in the area where the great room is, so that will have the cathedral ceiling as well. And the next few pieces will start having the front porch covering. Once we get this one set, nailed into place, set up a few braces, and this one is the beginning of the front porch, and it also has the back deck covering. So we'll take that truss over. And the next one is pretty much the same. And we'll keep putting the trusses on until we get all the way across, making sure that everyone is in the correct location. So check back in episode 11, where we'll start putting the roof sheeting on. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for all the updates. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.